Hi, my name is Luis, and today in this short video we're gonna show you the aluminum dew shield for the C11 AXLT telescope. I have a brand new box right here. I'm gonna start opening. Alright. There's another box inside, there's a piece of paper. Ina Astro is the invoice. And it looks like it came inside with the Celestron dew heater ring too. Opening the second box level. And it appears that yes, it has the heater ring. The heater ring, dew heater ring, is also for the 11-inch Celestron SCT. I believe this is the heater ring. It comes in here. Let's see. And correct. Dew heater ring, 11-inch. Voila! The box out. Let me show you a closer view of the aluminum dew shield and with cover cap. It has a cover cap here. Here. This is the cover cap in aluminum. Let me show you the dew heater ring. Also, it came with the quick setup guide on the aluminum dew shield. This is the setup guide here. And some stickers from Celestron. It came with the setup guide. Remember, this is a 11-inch dew heater ring. It came with a cable and a hook, so you can hook up the cable and the dew heater, other cable that come with the dew heater. One is the power cable, and the other one is the thermistor. And they go to the cylinder, the telescope. They go here. You see the thermistor, the power cable, and I got a space for the camera cable here too on the aluminum dew shield. And this concludes the unboxing of the aluminum dew shield and the dew heater ring for the 11-inch XLT Celestron telescope. Thank you, and I see you later. Clear skies.